a great choice today with the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, tow hitch, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.